Hello and welcome. My name is Aleisha and this is Project Vegan. So let's get baking. Alrighty, we are making cupcakes. Make a well in the center and add in all the wet ingredients. 1/3 of a cup of melted butter, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, half a cup of milk, half a cup of water, and some vanilla. Then we mix. Bake at 170 for half an hour. So to top off my very simple vegan vanilla muffins, we're going to make a very simple vegan buttercream. I'm using a slightly higher quality butter or margarine, not Alex, because it'll taste better. 52, perfect, right? I'm then going to put this in the microwave for like 10 seconds. I just want it to be soft. Put it back on here. And we want 52 grams. And I'm going to add a tiny bit of vanilla. Now we mix. Looking pretty good, although it's not as firm as I would like. But you always need to taste your buttercream, so. It's also not quite sweet enough. I'm going to add in some icing sugar. I'm going to leave this out until I'm ready to ice my cupcakes. Alrighty, it is time to ice these bad boys. I have this from a Betty Crocker decorating set. Whoops. So I'm just going to use this. I have a feeling it's going to be a pain in the ass to clean because all the icing will get stuck in here, but we shall see. You can definitely just use a piping tip in a plastic bag or even just a snap-lock bag and go around. Just cut a small hole and pipe it. You don't need anything fancy. I think I'm going to take that one off and try and fix it again. That's what they look like on the inside. And we'll give them a quick taste test. Quite good. You can barely taste the baking soda, which is great. Solid vanilla cupcake, and they'll taste even better with icing. Should I just put a little on top? That is all for my video today. I hope you have enjoyed, and I hope to see you all in the next one. If you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing. And like, comment, share, anything helps at all. I will be answering some comments if you have anything to say to me. And I will see you all in the next video. Have a good one.